I'm back, Jackhammer Nation, introducing first from Scotland, Betty McLeod Duncan, and her opponent. She's the reigning and defending JWE Women's Cruiserweight Champion, Butterfly Lace. And here we go. Butterfly grabs Betty. Kick to the knee. Uh-oh. Betty dropped Butterfly down. Betty goes outside the ring. What's he looking for here? She's got a steel chair. But Butterfly was able to stop it. Now she's punching her, kicking her. Now she's chopping it. Oh! She throws her down. Betty's down. Butterfly grabs the ladder. She puts it in the ring. Betty runs over. Back in the ring she goes. Butterfly yeets it over the top. But back on her feet. Uh-oh. What's Betty doing here? Betty has Butterfly, but Butterfly reverses it now. Butterfly punches, then kicks and chops. Uh-oh. She picks her up into a powerbomb. Powerbomb! Betty's down. Butterfly picks her up. Butterfly throws her down into the front of the announce table. A kick to the chest. Oh! She picks her up again. And she throws it back into the ring. Betty, Butterfly, what are you doing? Now she's got the big ladder. Betty's in the ring all alone. Butterfly now comes back in. She knocks Betty down. Oh, Betty has another idea. She throws Butterfly on top of the ladder. She's on top of the big ladder. Betty says, oh. Butterfly falls off the ladder. Betty now climbing up. Betty gets punched in the back. Betty falls down. Oh, gets kicked. She kicks her. Now she gets punched. Betty falls all the way over the top. Onto the floor. Butterfly now. She's all alone. One wrong. And Betty's punching her. And she falls down. Betty climbs the ladder. Butterfly pushes the ladder down. Electric chair drop. Betty's down. Butterfly goes outside the ring. Betty grabs Butterfly's got a steel chair. Steel chair in hand. Betty steps out to the air. Oh, Butterfly hits her in the head. She hits her in the head. And again. 2 chair shots to the head. Butterfly gets kicked by Betty. And she drops her down. Butterfly's back up. Betty now leaves Butterfly up against the rope. She kicks her. Betty climbs the ladder. Butterfly's not moving. Butterfly's moving. Butterfly. Get up there, Butterfly. Butterfly's up. Butterfly Lace now. On top of the ladder. She's punching Betty right in the stomach. Betty's not moving. Butterfly, what are you doing? Do something. Butterfly. Uh-oh. She's going for the swinging neck breaker. Betty's down. And she's not moving. Butterfly, where are you going? Butterfly is going top. She hits the double axe handle. Butterfly now grabs the ladder. Oh, gets clothesline from the back by Betty. Butterfly now throws Betty over. Oh, total backbreaker. She picks up the steel chair. She hits her. And again, she slams the chair down. She misses there. Chair's down. Betty punches her now. Betty throws Butterfly into the ropes, stuck underneath. Picks her up. Oh, misses the stomps. Betty now. And gets yeeted over the top. Butterfly back in the ring. She's got the steel chair. And she drops it. She picks Betty up. Oh, she hits her right in front of the ladder. She picks her up. Drops her on top of the ladder again. Butterfly picks her up. Rolling Samoan drop. Betty's dazed and confused now. What's she doing here? Drops her down. She picks her up again. And she throws her back into the ring. Betty's not moving. Butterfly now walks over. Picks up the ladder. She sets it up. Betty's moving. Butterfly picks her up. Reversed. Butterfly got reversed. Elbow shots there by Betty. Betty now. She got not all of it, but she got most of it. And now she kicks her again. Butterfly's down. Betty's outside the ring. The suicide dive misses. Butterfly's down. Betty's got the chair. Chop, chop, chop like broccoli. She picks her up. Rushing leg sweep on the chair. Betty's gonna need a backiotomy after this one, folks. She's not moving. Where's Butterfly going? Butterfly leaps over the stairs, ducks underneath the big ladder. She picks up the steel chair. Betty, what are you doing? Hits her head right out the ladder. Betty now picks her up. Slams off the ladder again. Betty now, what's she doing? But she's got the steel chair. She drops it. Picks up Butterfly. Exploder suplex. She picks up Butterfly again. Throws her into the ladder. Hoists her up. She's on top of the ladder. Where's Betty going? Oh! What a splash! And knocked Butterfly into right through the ladder. Holy crow, boys! She has the chair. Oh, she drops the chair. Butterfly now picks up Becky. Throws her back into the ring. Butterfly comes back in. Missing with the knees. Oh, Betty now picks her up. Drops her down. Kicks up by Butterfly. Betty now. She's in trouble here. Oh, now she's punishing with a foot in the top rope buckle there. Oh, Betty's down. Butterfly's climbing. Butterfly. She has done it. Here's your winner. And still, the JWE Women's Cruiserweight Champion, Butterfly Lace. I'll be back for night one's main event.